Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. We're going to go over Turo host tactics. There's many tactics you could utilize, but I'm going to just name a few off the top of my head. So first and foremost, remember this: number one, run your Turo business like it's a luxurious five-star hotel, like you're staying at the Ritz-Carlton or you're staying at Hilton, like a top hotel. You have that mentality and perspective, you're gonna do very well. This what does it do essentially is you'll have lotion in the car, you'll have hand sanitizer, you'll have a Facebook and gloves in there, you'll have a pencil and a notepad just in case their phone dies, for example. You're thinking a step ahead. What if their battery dies? We live on their phones, right? But what if their phone dies? Okay, they have a pencil and notepad. They can still write down information. Or hey, let me leave some phone chargers and cables so that their phone won't die. Or hey, let me leave a Game Boy in there so they can play video games in there. Hey, you know what? Let me also make sure to say hi and bye to them, to greet them. Let me be very courteous to them. Those are tactics you use just on chivalry and also etiquette that will take you from 1 star to 5 stars in no time. Very important. Next thing you must remember is make sure you do your absolute best to make sure you are punctual, you're on time. But what you want to do is say, hey, what time would you like to meet? This reiterates to them that you're punctual. You'll say, oh, I booked for 7 a.m. Okay, I'll be there 7 a.m. exactly. And whatever, you're punctual and you're professional. Do your absolute best to make sure you have a constant form of communication. Let them know, hey, another tactic, you contact me at this number directly anytime. Even though they obviously have your number, you're letting them know, you're reiterating it. This might sound like common sense, but you'd be surprised how when you're communicative, it allows them to feel more comfortable with you. They don't feel like they're bothering you. That's what you want to keep it at. And worst case, one of the best tactics, if it's too late, say it's 2 a.m., 4 a.m., or say you're away, maybe you're away from it, maybe you're off for today. Okay, you give them a 24-hour number to Turo. Follow the Turo number. I left it in the description below as well. And you can actually go there and you just leave the number in your profile. And if they can't reach you, they can at least reach Turo. That's what happens is people think about Turo hosts, if they're not reached by the Turo guests, which the Turo host isn't wrong for this, but it could definitely diminish your star level, is that the Turo guests might say, hey, I couldn't get in contact with you, even if it's 2 a.m., even if it's 12 a.m., maybe it's early in the morning, maybe it's late in the afternoon, who knows? But if they can't get in contact with you, sometimes they might get mad at that. Maybe they had an accident, maybe their tire blew up, maybe they're panicking. So what you want to do is, if they can't reach you, you let them know, hey, if you can't reach me, here's a 24/7 number. That could save you and keep you getting 5 stars, even in the worst situation. Very important, and that's how you do it. Carly out.